Bonjour! We are looking at how to pronounce this expression from French, which has become an archetype of literature and art. It designates the stock character of a mysterious, beautiful and seductive woman who charms her lovers, often leading them into compromising, if not deadly situations. Fatale being French for lethal, and femme is French for woman. Understand as the literal translation from French, lethal woman. In French, this is pronounced femme fatale, femme fatale. But it'd be fine in English or American to pronounce it femme fatale, femme fatale, or in French, femme fatale, femme fatale. Here are many more videos about useful terms and words from French that you may want to learn and nail the pronunciation of. Au revoir.